Here are 50 sentences with commonly used daily action verbs. 1. I wake up early every morning. 2. He brushes his teeth twice a day. 3. She takes a shower after jogging. 4. We eat breakfast together as a family. 5. They drive to work during rush hour. 6. I drink coffee to start my day. 7. He reads the newspaper before leaving. 8. She writes emails at her desk. 9. We watch the news in the evening. 10. They cook dinner for the kids. 11. I listen to podcasts during my commute. 12. He calls his parents on Sundays. 13. She cleans the kitchen after meals. 14. We shop for groceries on weekends. 15. They plan their schedules every Monday. 16. I work on my computer all day. 17. He saves money for future vacations. 18. She organizes her closet every month. 19. We play games after dinner. 20. They run around the park on sunny days. 21. I water the plants every morning. 22. He sings in the shower. 23. She drives the kids to school. 24. We take out the trash every night. 25. They walk the dog in the neighborhood. 26. I pack my lunch before heading out. 27. He exercises at the gym after work. 28. She paints her nails before a night out. 29. We dance at parties whenever we can. 30. They chat with friends over coffee. 31. I fix small things around the house. 32. He picks up groceries after work. 33. She relaxes by reading a book. 34. We plan weekend activities in advance. 35. They hug each other when they meet. 36. I pay the bills online. 37. He drinks water throughout the day. 38. She bakes cookies for the kids. 39. We greet our neighbors every morning. 40. They review their work before submitting it. 41. I cook dinner with fresh ingredients. 42. He mows the lawn in the evening. 43. She studies for her exams late at night. 44. We share funny stories at dinner. 45. They help each other with homework. 46. I visit my grandparents on weekends. 47. He drives to pick up his siblings. 48. She prepares the table for dinner. 49. We discuss plans for the holidays. 50. They enjoy watching movies together.